Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Introduction to Reinforcement Learning in Python with Code Examples. Reinforcement learning, RL, is a powerful paradigm in machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of RL using Python and provide a practical code example using the OpenAI Gym library. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install OpenAI Gym using the following command. Reinforcement learning involves an agent, an environment, and a set of actions. The agent learns to perform actions in the environment to maximize a cumulative reward signal. Key concepts in RL. We'll implement a simple Q-learning algorithm using the OpenAI Gym library, which provides various environments for testing RL algorithms. In this example, we'll use the CartPole environment.